Well, good afternoon, everyone. My name is David Wicks. I'm Vice President of the NASDAQ OMX Group, and it is my great pleasure to welcome Montgomery & Company and its CEO, Jamie Montgomery, and President Michael Montgomery. I'd also like to extend a warm welcome to all our distinguished guests to NASDAQ, and thank you for all joining us right here from the crossroads of the world in Times Square, New York, as we get set to ring today's closing bell. Now, we're here today to recognize and celebrate really two achievements. First, 2011 is the 25th anniversary of the founding of Montgomery & Company. I think that deserves a round of applause. Congratulations. Second, this year marks the 8th year that Montgomery & Company will host their Montgomery Technology Conference, which literally has become the industry standard. Jamie, Michael, congratulations again. Montgomery & Company is a leading investment banking firm that provides a wide range of services to growth companies worldwide. Founded in 1986 to provide strategic capital formation advisory services to high technology companies, the firm has expanded its industry focus and breadth of services to provide strategic advisory and M&A services and public and private financing to companies in the information technology, communications, healthcare, and media sectors. Now, over the past 25 years, Jamie and Michael have built Montgomery & Company into one of the leading investment banking firms in their focused verticals. And we thank you for your guidance that you have given to so many NASDAQ companies, and it is NASDAQ's great honor to recognize Montgomery & Company this afternoon. This afternoon, NASDAQ is hosting an event with Montgomery at the market site here to highlight their upcoming Montgomery Technology Conference 2011, to be held in Santa Monica. Now, in case you don't know, Santa Monica is very much like New York weather, very similar. Thank you guys for bringing the nice weather here. But it's going to be at the Fairmont Hotel on March 8th and 9th. And the 2011 edition of Montgomery's Tech Conference, the largest of its kind, bringing together a highly selected invitation-only audience consisting of over 1,000 senior-level private equity and venture capital investors and corporate industry executives. Speaking about the private capital outlook for 2011, Jamie and Michael will be joined by industry leaders Alan Morgan of Idealab, Bob Davis of Highland Capital Partners, and Anton Levy of General Atlantic to engage in what I'm sure is going to be a spectacular discussion. Jamie and Michael, congratulations on your 25th anniversary. We're truly grateful to be your partner and have the opportunity to celebrate with you here today. Now, everyone, please join me in welcoming Montgomery & Company's CEO, Jamie Montgomery, and President Michael. Gentlemen. Thank you very much.
Well, good afternoon. Thank you, NASDAQ. We pride ourselves in working with the next generation of great growth companies in America, and a culminating event for many of them is to be listed on NASDAQ. So it's with great pride we're here today. Companies we work with include Omniture, Divix, and Tropic, companies that were very early stage when they came to us. Were featured at our technology conference, have gone on for public listings to build the next generation of great growth companies in the United States. So it's a pleasure to be here and to be recognized. 25 years is a long time. It goes with a blink of an eye. We hope that we're here 25 years from now again and continuing our pursuit of growing the next generation of great businesses in the United States in partnership with NASDAQ. Michael?
Thanks, Jamie. Thank you, David. As Jamie mentioned, we do have our conference upcoming. It's going to be an exciting time right now. What we have focused on is where technology meets media, and we think that we have a very interesting niche, and we've really exploited that niche. We have already over 120 companies who have accepted our invitations to present. We will be at 150. We have record attendance. And we believe that at our conference, the premier private companies are presenting, not the best known, but the ones that people will want to know about. So we're looking forward to it and looking forward to the next 25 years of success. Thank you.
Thank you. Jamie and Michael, one, I want to congratulate you again on the 25 years.
Right,
it's an incredible milestone. And more importantly, for being a true valued partner of NASDAQ OMX's. And to commemorate today's closing bell, I'd like to present you both with the closing bell crystal.
Good, thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
There we go. Okay.
Talk of whether a large erroneous fat finger sale of long-dated bonds had triggered a sudden market sell-off. And that is it. We've got the closing bell coming there for you. We're going to now go to the final hour of the show with Maria Bartiromo.
And it is 4 o'clock on Wall Street. Do you know where your money is? Hi, everybody. Welcome back to the closing bell. I'm Maria Bartiromo. The market finishing the day is that the market's at new highs. Citigroup tough numbers. We'll get more numbers throughout the week, right, from Goldman and Ford and General Electric, just to name a few. We are in the thick of earnings seasons, folks, so watch all those headlines closely. And here you go, the Dow now up 50 points and getting closer to that 1 billion share mark. The dollar was to the downside, and that gave a boost to gold.
Nicole, I got to ask first about Apple because so many people thought it would drop 10%. The fact that it's down, I think, at the end of the trading day, just over 2% must be a tremendous relief, not only for Apple, but for all of NASDAQ.